Hey there, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We had a issue. I'll show you what this looked like before. Sorry, that was a little loud. I'll show you what this looked like before, but this was all covered in mulch, and about halfway up the vent, we had a lot of mulch getting in, so we decided to put in this vent well. These are pretty easy to install, but we just went ahead and added that to this crawl space. Mechanically attached it with masonry screws, so that way it's not going anywhere. Dug the mulch out, brought it back, and filled the inside with a little bit of rock. But anyway, now we don't have to worry about mulch and things trying to make its way into the crawl space. We also sealed the inside of the vent with a R10 termite resistant foam board. So hope you like this. This is a vent well for a crawl space. You can also use these if you got a door that's below ground. They make bigger ones that'll do the whole door. So Michael Church, crawlspaceninja.com. I hope you make it a happy and blessed day. Thanks for watching. See you later.